Okay. Ito po ating final game for the week between Oryx, playing white po yan, white and brown combination, versus the Black Boys. Ito na ang Mechanicos. Okay. Okay, ito po. This is your Aviation Friendly Doubles of Flying League. First, we'd like to thank the following sponsors: Team LB Sana Padala and Thread the Needles. Sapo natin po dyan ang SBB ARA and PSBG Basketball League. Ito po ang ating pong participating team sa season number 5. Cabin Line Hub, Oryx Basketball Team, Airport United, Boleros, Cast in Flights, Mechanicos, Sky Team, Freighters, and QR Towers. And of course, ito po ang ating eliminations. Now, for the final game for the sa ating Saturday night basketball action, ito po ang Mechanicals versus Oryx Basketball. Oryx Basketball looking at the cemented place now sa top 4. Currently po sila, marami silang katablahan sa standings. They need to finish the final 2 assignments possibly. They will land themselves into number 3 or number 2 spot. Yan ha. Number 2 or number 3 yan. Dahil kasi po, pag hindi nagkamali o nadisgrasya ang Airport United, magna number 2 po Airport United. Why? Because natalo po ng Airport United ang Oryx nung unang laro nila. Win over the another yun. Pero still, malaman po natin yan po. Bilog po ang bola. Maraming salamat po. Ito po ang final game po natin po sa ito. Ang Team Oryx, playing white po yan, versus the Black Boys, ang Mechanicos. Okay, final words po sa kanilang coach. And maraming salamat po sa SPB ARA for keeping this game in a neat and orderly fashion. Maraming salamat kay Ref King and Company para po sa mapata sa tawag. At panatili pong nasa ayos po at wasto ang larong pong ito. Ito po si ang host po, RBG Vlogs. And sa ating sengge po tayo po, simulan po natin po ang Oryx versus Mechanicos. Okay, Oryx. Jose, JD, Smith, Pulintan, hello sir. And of course si number 3, yan po si Breton. Okay, si Breton, number 3 si Breton, ang bagong kasal. Ano sir? Balita. Dati Judy rin sama. Nasaan si commander mo? Pinas o dito?
Pinas.
Oh, sige. Ayos. Of course, sa kabila po, nandiyan si Kalma, si number 16, number 15, si Maninang, si Shari, at si number 19, si Desamero. Okay na, Rep, okay na sa kanya, nakasalamin yung tao? Tan, pops up, 2 points, Tan, 2 points. Pops up, JD. No good. Shady naka-rebound. Shady rebounding. Rep, may salamin siya. Okay na sa kanya. Okay. Desamero. No good. Tan again. 2 points, Tan. Back-to-back field goal si Tan. Back-to-back field goal si Tan. 9:24 remaining. Smith. Shady against Pulintan. Jose, dako, mali pasa. Ito naman. Oop. Okay, number 5, Maninang. Kick pass kay Kalma. Pops up. Ayun, Desamero, 2 points.
6-0 na yan.
6 love. Breton. Pops up. No good. Tan. Kalma, binababa ang bola. Kalma. Maninang. Maliwanag pala. Sorry, maliwanag.
JD, save. Kalma. Pass to Tan.
Tan, out of bounds.
Stepping on the line.
Ano yung keep 15? Maliwanag? Hindi ko babasa eh. JD, Smith. Smith penetrating. Wala pa rin. Slow pace po ha. Slow starting po para sa team team Oryx ha. 6 na po. Laman po ang Mechanicos. Maliwanag.
10 shot clock.
Tan. Kalma. 2 points. Timeout count. Aga nag-time up po si Coach Melvin. Hindi niya nagugustuhan ang gusto nangyayari po sa kanyang team ngayon. 8-0. 7:48 remaining. Maaga pa yan.
Back to the ball game.
Pangit. Smith thinking 3. Nope. Smith penetrating. Smith, wala pa rin. Hounding. Tan. Nilabas muna. Out of bounds.
Foul Shady, jersey number 7.
Breton pops up JD. No good. JD sa pataw. JD again. Kick pass, Jose. Jose penetrating. Pops up for 3. No good still. JD naman. JD. Jumper. Wala pa rin. Landon. Maliwanag. Shady. Maliwanag. Wow.
First personal foul for Pulitan.
Desamero. No good. Jay Smith ang rebound. Smith rebounding. Smith. No, it's Pulitan. Wala pa rin.
Shady with the rebound.
Shady out of bounds.
1 remains with Oryx. 14 on the shot clock.
Breton for 3.
Beyond the arc.
No good.
Rebound
Smith,
Smith.
2 points sa wakas, nakapuntos na. After 4 minutes, nakapuntos sa wakas po ang Oryx. Tan. Pulintan against Tan.
14 shot clock.
No good.
JD.
Uy! Salamin!
JD.
JD, 2 points.
Basket.
Tan. Hoop shot made by Tan.
Basket.
Jose. Foul!
Call minute jersey number 7. That's her second personal foul. Second team foul. Last possession tayo.
Breton. And one sana, hindi pumasok.
Jersey foul. Jersey number 19. Change unit. Basket for Breton.
The sand with the fire. Actually, this is not the
Briton, moving out. Control, baklaan na.
Baklaan, nagmamadali.
Ang defense of Labrado. Baklaan, save. Marasigan, pass to Labrado.
Labrado! Wala! Again, Labrado.
Labrado, 2 against 3. Pass to Briton. Basket by Briton.
Breton, 2 points.
Change muna si Briton.
Breton, palit muna.
Opens the firebox door, scoops up dry sand and throws it into the red hot grease. Isn't a train supposed to burn?
Talisik, pass to baklaan. JD, wide open. Too much stroke.
Three points is cut.
3, 4, start. Deadlock. Traveling violation.
Ha?
Then shot clock.
Talisik.
3 seconds
3
violation.
seconds violation. 10-all po tayo. 10-all. 10-all.
Pangaliban.
Pangaliman, 2 points. Okay, first lead now. Tasted now by Oryx.
And pass the ball. Pass to Dan. Marasigan is waiting. Reverse layup.
Tang, 2 points.
Deadlock again.
Scott. Scott.
Labrado.
Labrado. Labrado. Nakawala. Uy!
Chase down by Shady.
Shade, uy!
Marasigan.
Marasigan, no good. Pops up, Scott again. Wala.
Labrado.
Labrado, labas muna. Melvin.
Backshot.
Ah! Kalma.
Baklaan. Left.
Left-handed, good. 14-all. Again! Lamang muli po ng dalawa ang Mechanicos. Shady, no foul.
Pass to Dan.
Tan, Talisik,
Then shot clock. Baklaan.
Baklaan, Laipit, Talisik. Uy, nilabas.
Scott.
Scott. Labrado. Ayuwi. Ano ba yan?
Kalma with the rebound. Baklaan. 3 against 2. Baklaan. Spicy. No there.
2 points. Baklaan.
4-point lead. Mechanical. Madera. Save by Baklaan. 2 against 1.
Baklaan again.
Baklaan. Pass.
Tan. Tan. Palpal.
Lock. Tan. Panganiban controlling. Here comes Scott. 50 seconds.
Scott. Scott, 2 points. Vintage Scott move.
2-point lead. 40 seconds. Scott Foul on jersey number 7, JD.
He earns hundreds of millions in cash, but even with such an
Third
outrageous
personal foul.
didn't care at all. After the old man carefully polished and crafted, a stunning surgical knife was finally
Third foul,
The
JD.
old man gently made one cut. Half of the cord was sliced off perfectly. When he placed the cut piece back into its original
What a
position,
sweet throw.
it looked as if it had never
19 seconds remaining.
Blackjack felt the knife was worth every penny, but he never expected
19 seconds.
the old man's final masterpiece. That night, the old man's heart suddenly stopped beating. A year passed in the Philippines.
Kalma.
Baklan, Tan,
10 seconds.
Tan, bahala na. Talisik,
Reverse.
tukot, pasok.
5 seconds.
Ha?
And the first quarter.
What a basket by Talisik. Balik muli po sa kalamangan ng isa ang Mechanicos. Low temperatures watching Sir PD. Duma is watching also.
Orange ball, second quarter.
Back to the ball game. Smith. Foul.
Foul, jersey number 11, Kalma.
Smith, first shot. It's out. Smith, second throw. Tabla.
Deadlock.
Tabla, tabla.
Thirteen shot lang.
Again, Smith on the run. Smith, Jolens. Okay, 2018. Lamang na dalawa ang Corex.
Maliwanag. Pass to 26.
Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Darkas. Binabang lang yung binabang bola. Kalma. Against Pulintan.
14 shot lang.
Talisik. Pops up. In.
Isimero, basket.
Jasimer 2 points. Tabla naman tayo. 20 all.
Traveling violation. Maliwanag.
Maliwanag. Maliwanag driving.
Attacking.
No good. Rebound JD. Maliwanag. Nakanakaw. Pops up. Back. Tayaw.
Another rebound by JD.
JD again. JD again. JD.
JD.
Tapos. 3 seconds naman. Pinato kay JD.
That's a good call. Maliwanag.
Out of bounds.
The red Kabila pa rin tayo sa 20 to the score. Smith, JD, Bullet.
JD again. Bang!
Disimero, back to Calma. Calma. Bulak. Smith.
Again, no good. Nandun si Mr. JD pops up. Pasok ang bola kay JD.
Four-point lead.
Two points, Calma. Smith, Polintan. 6:13 remaining. Polintan. Nawala ang bola.
Single tayo, single. Shot clock at 15 seconds to shoot. Smith. Same ball.
Same ball.
Shot clock at 13. 13 on the shot clock. Jose. Rebound, Palma. Isabella. Talisik.
Talisik, 22-24. Lamang ng dalawa. Talisik for 3. Out.
JD.
Foul. Foul on Shady.
Foul committed on jersey number 7. JD.
Shady.
4 fouls. 1 more.
Eto na. Pabagay, laman po ng dalawa ang Oryx, 22-24. 5:21 remaining second quarter action.
Ulit na.
Polintan. Wala. Out of bounds.
Okay. Last possession tayo. Calma. Steal by Dargas. Anticipated. JD. Bola.
JD. Banks it in. And change tayo na po tayo yun. Okay, Scott yata will sit out muna. Hindi, ayaw. Okay. Upo muna si Pulintan. Ay, si Labrado.
Baklaan. Ted, shot up. Baklaan, running shot.
Baklaan, 2 points.
Baba sa dalawa ang kalamangan.
Baklaan again, 2 points. Breton,
Breton, point over.
same ball.
Sorry, same ball pala tayo. Different. Pangaliban.
Pangiliban, 2 points.
Heavy traffic.
2 points for Pangiliban. Marasigan, guarding the defense. And Desemero. Desemero. Tan, palpal. Pero may foul. May foul, sabi ng referee. Referee says may foul, boss.
Pangaliban.
May foul daw.
First personal foul. First foul. Importante.
25-28. Okay. Breton to Scott again. Scott, nagtito mo ng bola. Scott. Guarded by Shady. Marasigan. Pangaliban, palpal. May foul.
Disimero, foul. Second personal foul. Panganiban now.
No good. Again, one more time. Breton. 2 points, Breton. And Baklan. Ang walang takot si Baklan. Baklan! 2 points. Baklan. Perfect from the field. Oh, until now. Scott. And one play made for Scott.
Foul committed on jersey number 4, Baklan.
Baklan called for a foul. Scott.
Creating space.
Pasok. Okay, Scott now creating space. Now 7 point ang kalamangan po ng Oryx. Desamero. And one play. Saan ang galing yun?
Foul committed on jersey number 3, Breton. Five-point lead for Oryx.
Good ball.
4-point lead. Breton crossover. Gary.
Nope.
Rebound.
Out of bounds.
Cut.
Scott again. Nope.
Rebound time. Fast break attack.
Breton. Ay! Dinabutan.
3 minutes. 2 seconds remaining. Baklan. Desamero.
Desamero. Bang!
Down to 2-point lead.
Lumamang na naman. Foul.
There's a foul committed on jersey number 3. Not the first personal foul.
First cut shot. Good.
Basket first cut.
Second throw, jumper ready. 32-35. Tatlong muli kalamangan ng Oryx. Again. Out of bounds. Same ball.
Cut.
Uy!
Panganiban.
Panganiban, wala pa rin.
Foul on jersey number 03.
Panganiban. In.
Basket for Panganiban.
Second shot, Panganiban. Jumper ready. No good. Uy!
Baklan.
Baka nakakaulit sa foul.
Jersey number 9. Marasigan. Third team foul. First personal foul. Baklan.
Baklaan again. Ayun kay Tan. Palpal.
By Marasigan.
Black by Marasigan.
Breton.
Breton. 2 points, Breton. 2:13 remaining. Second quarter. Patapos na. Tan. Baklaan. Out. Baklaan. Tan connection. Yun lang. Tumapak. Dumikit sa kutsyon.
13 shot clock. Control ni Panganiban sa steal.
Pops up. No good. Rebound. Marasigan. Binato kay Melvin. Malakas ang pasa. Too much pressure, my friend. Shari.
KD.
Shari nakalusot.
KD.
Desamero.
Pass Desamero.
Desamero. To Shady. Hindi yan si Shady.
1 minute, 25 seconds.
Ayun. Ito, 2 points.
Play from Scott.
Nice play by Scott. Again, lamang na lumili pa ng siyam.
Maliwanag.
Maliwanag. Maliwanag, palpal.
Good defense para Sigan.
Panginipan, 2 points again.
Time out.
Timeout called na by Mechanicos. Back to the ball game.
10-20. 42-32. Back to the ball game. 1 minute, 3 seconds. Done. Isabero. Done. 10. Shot down.
Maliwanag.
Maliwanag. Nice pass.
In.
Lucifer, 30 seconds. 8 complete. Scott. Rebound, JD. Seconds. 10 shot clock.
Scott. Melvin. Nope. Shari.
10 seconds.
Maliwanag.
Pass to Dan.
Bang! Ano yung labas? Scott. Out! Okay, half-time po tayo. Half-time po tayo.
Plus 3.
Plus 3 yan. Mukhang meron kasing ano, bibigyan sila ng, ng bonus shot ngayon dahil kasi mas marami kasi. Sila, dumating sila mas marami. Pero still, malalaman natin yan po. Sige. Sino ang titira? Hey! 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 Isa lang. Ay, isa lang binigay. Ay, isa lang Plus 2 lang. Siya lang. Okay. Okay, Nadera. Nadera. Wala nga talaga. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Third quarter action.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Okay, balik tayo. Labrado. Pulintan. Smith.
On the baseline, double team with the JD, open. Rebound. Molintan. Labrado. Using the ball.
Okay, Labrado, 2 points. Okay, final 20 minutes po on the start po ngayon. Labrado, hinaras kagad. Nandiyan na yun si Mr. Talisik. Talisik, ayaw. Hindi liluba yun ni Labrado. Balik tayo. Ito po tayo yun. Ito po tayo. Ito na. Wala. Talisik, Talisik. Talisik, nope. It's Desamero. Pasok. Desamero, 2 points. Siguro by 10 o'clock, sabi uwi ka tayo, pahinga ka tayo. Eto Smith again, Smith. Omararo, Smith, takbo malakas. Out of bounds. .56 remaining.
Steve by 36. Control by JD, then shot clock.
Ayun lang. Out of bounds.
Shot clock 6. 6 seconds to shoot. JD, made the range jumper.
Good, good. Same ball.
Another possession, 14 yan, 14.
Bank shot made. Labrado 2 points. Labrado nakalusot. Kalma. Kalma. Out of bounds.
Baba na pasa. JD, goal up JD.
JD 2 points.
Talaga. JD.
Again. Labrado.
Brado.
2 points Labrado. Basta mo.
Lumulumbo. 17.
Again.
Ayan na naman siya.
No good. Smith. Hey.
Ball to minute. Jersey number 11. Substitution. Kalma, second personal foul.
Okay, Smith shooting for 2. Nope. JD, power rebound, 2 points.
Another one. Vargas, running for the rebound. JD, defending.
Again, JD.
Desamero is coming. Smith, wide open.
Nope.
Bounce pass. Smith. Pass to Labrado.
Malakas.
Yung assist.
Smith, dukot, pasok.
Tama. Maliwala. Basket stand.
Hellball situation.
Ball will be awarded to Biganigas. Sanchez.
No good.
Rebound. Tama.
Karma, put back. Out. Rebound. Smith. Smith rebounding. Smith. Kulintan. JD pops up. Malakas. Kulintan ang rebound again. JD. 2 points.
And basket. Smith. 11. Substitution. Kalma. Third personal foul.
Again, inbounding. Hop.
Kulintan.
Jose. Jose for 3. In line. No good.
Rebound Smith.
Jose. Good ball. Yun lang. Tang, 2 points.
Briton.
Return for 3. Bang!
Still by JD. Good over the Noah pass to Smith.
Smith, 2 points. Two points.
Oryx.
Oryx basketball conference sample the score is 42-64. Wow. A 22-point lead advantage now by Oryx. Okay, back to the ball game. Ooh. Oy! Jose, 2 points. Scott. Foul. Blocking foul.
Foul committed. Jersey number 19.
Jose called for a foul. Maliwanag. Malakas. Scott. Bato agad. Binato agad. Wala kang beton. Oh, yan yun.
Out of bounds.
Palpal. Jose Jolens.
Jose with the basket.
Baklaan.
Baklaan.
In and out.
Kalma. Nadera.
Kalma. Uy! Di na kontrol yung Kalma. Jose, fadeaway shot.
Jose. Rebound, 26.
Out of bounds.
Kalma.
Tan, 2 points. Melvin. Jose. Ayun lang. Jose. Nice one by Jose.
Three against two. Baklaan. Crossover.
Baklaan. 2 points, Baklaan.
In. Nadera. Scan. Nadera. Rebound, 26. Jumper. Tan. Kalma.
2
Reverse.
points, Kalma.
20. Down to 20 point lead.
Out of bounds.
Substitution. Time out. Ligainos.
Motor. Bukas to. Bukas yan. Kala Inglaterra makapasok eh. Muntik na naman. Okay, final 1 minute 24 seconds remaining. At 20-point advantage now by Oryx over Mechanicals. Shari. Dako mali pasa. Pangaliban, haras with Shari. Scott. Melvin for 3. Ayaw. Pops up. Bangs it in. Two points. Talisik 2 points. Scott. Nandun. Foul. Melvin.
30 seconds remaining. Nadera first personal foul. Second team foul. Orange. 30 seconds. Yes.
Talisik.
Isamero.
2 points, Isamero.
15 seconds.
Nadera.
10 seconds.
10 seconds remaining. Jose,
5.
nakalusot. Okay, that's it. Okay, ito po ang final game po natin po, Mechanicals versus Oryx. The score is 54-17 pa Kami po tayo sa fourth and final quarter. Ito po ang A-Base Friendly Double sa Flying League. First of all, we thank the following sponsors, Terrenidos and Team LB Sara Padala. And of course, SBB Ara and PSB Basketball League. Of course, ito po ang participating teams. And this is still the eliminations. Pero final week na po ito. Coming next week po ito. And of course, final game po na ito po for this week po. Oryx versus Mechanicos. Okay, black ball daw po. Black ball, black ball. Final quarter, 54-17, a 19-point advantage. Been enjoyed still by Oryx over Mechanicos. Sir Talisik. Shadi, kumuwi ng bola. Ayaw. Kalma. Ayun lang. Nice one by Desamero. Desamero, 2 points. And Smith. Jose, pops up. Nope.
Rebound back.
Rebound na yung Betan.
Pass to Kalma.
Pinakay Kalma, Kalma. Desamero naman. Desamero, track billing violation. Jose. Traveling call doon, Jose.
Kalma. Pass
Pops up, tan. In. Pasok.
Tandang sa kanisa meron. Grabe. Labrado. Pass to JD.
JD.
Posting up. Sizing.
No good.
Space. Back. Kalma. Here comes the ball. Labrado with the rebound.
Jose.
Jose.
Okay, easy to. Touchdown. Ganun. No good.
Kalma. Substitution.
Pwede.
Labrado.
Uy! Second violation. Si Dino.
Baklaan, short.
No good. Pops up. Wala pa rin. JD. No good. Labrado. Pangliban. In and out. Good ball.
Pass to Marasigan.
Malasigan. Driving. Labrado. 2 points.
Baklaan. Left area. Men.
Uy! Hinawi.
Call committed to jersey number 31. Smith.
Double dribble. JD. Nope. Tap. JD. Nice one, Baitan. Nope. Smith is there. Offensive foul again.
Offensive foul.
I get it now. If I shout, I get more.
Nice agility, sir. Agile, ah. Okay, inbounding.
Kalma. Same ball.
Same ball.
Shot clock natin is 12 seconds to shoot.
Again. Yun. Baklaan. Pasok. Nice jumper by Baklaan.
.8.
Out of bounds.
Kalma. Tan in the basket. JD.
JD 2 points.
Basket. 17-14.
Good ball. Up.
There's a foul. Jersey number
Hand check
14.
foul. Labrado called for the foul.
Substitution. First personal foul, Juan Labrado, third team foul, Oryx. Still by Pangaliban. Jose.
Jose 2 points. Binabato. Again. Jose. 2 points again.
Securing na yan, magpanalo. Candidate for our best player of the game.
Palpal.
Candidate for our defensive player of the game. Second round for Marasigan. Isabero. Another rebound again. Jose.
Jose. Pops up.
Step back three.
No good. Melvin. Marasigan.
His own version.
Wala.
Rebound. Batas.
Meron.
Marasigan.
No good. Foul.
There's a foul on Marcas. Timeout. Mechanicos.
60 to 86 po tayo yun. 686. At 24 point lead advantage by Oryx over Mechanicos. Okay, back to the ball game. 3:30 remaining. Mechanicos.
Three minutes, 30 seconds remaining.
Box.
Pass to Malma. Pulling the three. Rebound, Marasigan.
Melvin. 2 points, Melvin. Sa wakas. Braljola, shoutout. Okay. Baklaan. Uy! Foul.
Foul on person number 23.
Panganibang call for a foul.
Panganiban, second personal foul.
Plastic box. First, they prepare a small
Baklaan first shot is good.
The earliest mentions that very simple structure. Every time a worker he had to take the wrench off.
Balik naman po na rebound.
It was extreme.
Breton. Melvin. Balangas. Melvin again. 3-second violation. Shoutout kami na Braljola. Shoutout po sa team niya po, sa Sky Team. Yes.
KD Tan.
Tan, in and out. Rebound, Breton, Tunadera na naman. 2 points sa Dera. Tan. Again, Jose, wala. Uy, wala.
Panganiban.
Paniban, barrel shoot, 2 points. Baklaan, humingi ng bola. Binat ng bola. Ayan na. Nabato. Pops up.
Isabero.
No good. Okay.
Rebound.
Jose,
Pasigan.
Melvin. Jole. Ayaw. Swipe away.
One minute, 30 seconds. Parasigan. Nadera.
Bangs it in.
Nagkakabol.
Agera, 2 points.
Nagkakabol sa best player. I-double digit mo lang. 8 points mo lang. Isabero.
Pops up. No. Melvin.
Nadera may rebound na.
Wala. Ayun lang. Assist. Assist yun. Assist.
$40 seconds.
Nadera for 3. Wala. Okay. Okay, think they already concede. Okay. Pwede pa ata. Sige. Okay, 2 points. Okay, 2 points again. Okay, final score 63-98. Hindi na yan. Nag-concede na kasi. Final score 63-98 po. Maraming salamat po. Winner po siya. Siyempre, Team Oryx. Oryx looking forward to cementing its place now sa ating upper 4 po sa quarterfinal.